Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I got a special surprise for you, ish. I have mounted my tail closer on my screen door closer testing rig. This is like a top jam-ish. Yeah, you guys have no idea how long it took me to get this right. See, there's the closer and the arm. So like I said, this is like a top jam mount-ish. I don't know how well you can see that. Sorry about the bad camera angle, I'm trying my best here. Alright, this is my tail closer mounted to like a top jam-ish mount. Thanks for watching. And before I go, I will try to make a video of this in parallel mount. So stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That would really help my channel, as I'm trying to reach my goal to get that golden play button or the silver play button, but I guarantee you they won't give it to like a closer collector. But you know what? You never know. Alright, thanks for watching.